And we are live. Hello everybody, it's Anna here coming to you from my home office here in Canberra. So I have a lot of new Facebook friends that have been emerging recently, so I'll introduce myself for those of you that don't know me. Yeah, my name is Anna and I help people release the blocks to living the life that they desire and then giving them the tools to then go ahead and manifest what they truly want. So manifesting coach, we can say. And I am doing a 30-day manifesting blitz. And so welcome to the call. If you jump on, let me know where you're tuning in from. If it's live, say live. If it's replay, say replay, and let me know where you're coming in from, and if this resonates with you, give me some hearts as we move on. So today's video is about, so yesterday I was talking about visualization and techniques of visualization and the importance of that, but today I want to talk about what is stopping you from manifesting what you want. Now, most of the time it's about resistance. It's about not actually believing that you can manifest your desires. So we're in resistance to what's happening around us. We're in resistance. We're struggling with life. We're struggling with what is. Now, the way to resistance is kind of like going upstream with a paddle. You're going against the current, you're going against the flow. So whatever is happening in your life right now, I want you to think about this. I want you to think about, because there's no accidents and there's no coincidence. I want you to look at your life as it is right now and say to yourself, I have manifested everything that is right now. My life is exactly as I have chosen it to be. Now, doesn't matter. I mean, not everybody has problems and issues and dramas, and we point the finger and we blame someone else. We are where we are right now because of the choices and the decisions that we've made. So when we accept that, when we embrace that, when we understand that everything happens to you for a reason and a purpose, and it serves you, then you can sort of step into the allowing of what is. You can step into the acceptance of what is and the non-resistance to what is. So the way to release resistance, resistance is bondage. It's keeping you in resistant to what is, but it's keeping you in bondage. It's lowering your energy. It's lowering your vibration. You're in a fight or flight mode with your energy. When you know that everything that you desire, as long as you're in an energetic alignment with it, it's on its way. And I love to use an affirmation that everything is always working out for me. If I get, because I have expectations of me in where I work at the moment in my contract. I have high expectations of me, but I always then come back and to center and I say everything is always working out for me. It releases that grip to what is. It releases that expectation that something should be different than what it is. So when we release that expectation, when we go into the flow, we step into the allowing. So you just jump into, or you step into presence. You step into feeling. It's okay to be resistant or to feel the immediate resistance to something or wishing that something was different. It's when we stay in that vibration, it's when we stay in that negativity and just we're not happy with where we're at. It's when we stay there that it keeps us stuck. It's when we stay there that it repels what we want and what we desire. So understanding the nature of reality is that everything is on its way to you. You are where you are right now because on a soul level it's serving you. It's serving you because you're going to learn and grow from it. If we don't have challenges in our life, if everything always goes smoothly, we can't grow. So things happen in our lives to teach us, that it happens in our lives to strengthen us. It happens in our lives to show us a better way. Abraham Hicks says it shows us the contrast. So when you're in resistance or when you don't like what's there, you're experiencing the contrast to show you, oh, okay, I don't want this in my life. I don't want this experience in my life. So I want the opposite of that. Okay, great. So now I know what I want to achieve or how I want to feel in my life. So no matter where you're at, no matter what's going on, step into the allowing of what's going on. Don't be resistant to it. If you want to be resistant to it for a moment, that's okay. Because like, if I get a speeding fine or whatever, I go, ugh, you step into that sort of feeling. But then I'm going to be in the allowing of that because it just is. So what is. You can't change it. And the more you move against what is, the more resistance you create. So by releasing resistance, you accept what is. You become one with what is. And then you step into it, or you feel, I love feeling like this. I always step into the knowing that what I want is on its way. Everything is always working out for me. You have a desire, you turn it into an affirmation, you turn it into the positive feeling through the visualization of what it is that you desire and what it looks like. Then you just release it. You release it with the knowing. Just like when you're driving home from work, for example, you know where you live. Just like before you go to bed, you know where you're going to sleep. And you know where you're going to go to work in the morning, or you know who your children are. You know who your partner is. You know what you're doing tomorrow. So stepping into the knowing that thing that you desire is on its way. That is the releasing of the resistance. When we have a desire for example, for abundance, and you step into the feeling and you've done your visualizations, you've got affirmations and you're feeling good about it, and then all of a sudden you get a huge unexpected bill or a huge unexpected, you have to pay something unexpected. Then all of a sudden you step into the fear mode and into the resistance, and you go, oh no, this shouldn't happen. But if you trust, you have to trust. It's kind of like, stepping into that rowboat without the oars and letting the stream take you, because you know where you're going. You know what's coming. You know that everything is always working out for you. So that's how you release resistance. When you release resistance to what is, when you release resistance to that thing that you're calling in that's not showing up, you allow it to show up because you trust and you know. Just like you know where your left foot is. You're looking at me, but just like you know where your left foot is, just like you know where your right hand is, that thing that you desire, that thing that you're wanting to manifest is there. Know that it is there. Let it go. Release the resistance to what is, because everything is always working out for you. So say that to yourself. Whenever you bump up against resistance, whenever you're feeling like you don't like what is, whatever is right now, everything is always working out for me. The world is here. The world is here. Life serves you. Life is here for you, and it is serving you in the divine manner and timing that everything is right now. The mind is the access point to the creation, to bringing in what you want. With the resistance is actually pushing it away. So be okay with where you are right now. Be okay with what's going on. And allow what is, and know that what you want and what you desire is on its way to you. So I hope that's helped you guys. If you're a female entrepreneur or a motivated lady, sorry guys, this is for women only, then come and join me in my Facebook group, Journey to Manifesting Journey to Manifesting official Facebook group. I also have, if you want to watch a video about how I manifest abundance in my life, go to journeytomanifesting.com and you can see a free video there, it's about 26 minutes, 7 steps to manifesting money now. It's what I use, it's what's changed my life. So it's available for you to watch and learn and grow. And otherwise, I will see you in the group. Come and join us there. Send me an invite to join and I will accept you, and I look forward to seeing you in there. And have an amazing evening, and I will see you again tomorrow. Remember, release resistance to what is so that the things that you desire can fall into your lap. They can come to you when you're no longer pushing them away. And it's quite simple. Know that they're there, that they're on their way, because they're waiting for you to allow them. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.